Bronner's toothpaste and also washing my hair with Dr. Bronner's soap. I will definitely let you guys know how I like it, so let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to give a review on the 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure castle soap. Now I do love this as a shampoo. I told you guys I was going to use it as a shampoo, and it works great on my hair as far as cleaning it and making my hair stronger so it doesn't pop off as much. I also use it on my daughter's hair and seen great results. The only thing I do not like about it is the fact that it makes my hair extremely dry and my daughter's hair extremely dry on a level that I've never seen it before. And we actually have to put in extra work to moisturize our hair. That's the only thing I don't like about it, and it makes me not use the product as often, because I feel like if I use it as often as I wash my hair, maybe once every 2 weeks, I feel like my hair will just be so dry. So I don't use it as often. That's the only thing that I adjusted when it comes to using this as a shampoo. But as a cleaning product, you guys, this is bomb. Like, cleaning your house with this, cleaning anything with this, washing dishes with this is a go-to, like, seriously. And I do recommend everyone to try it out. It may not dry your hair out. I don't know if it's just me and my daughter's texture, but it's not, it really, you know, takes a toll on our hair when we wash our hair with this. Anyway, let's get into the second product I use of Dr. Bronner's. So I use the all-one toothpaste, which I actually love because it has two of my favorite ingredients, which is coconut oil and baking soda. I was using those things prior to even using this product, because after I would brush my teeth with Colgate, I will always, you know, take coconut oil and do the, I think it's called oil pulling, and then I would also brush my teeth with baking soda, and that would just be the finished, that would be the last step of my process before I start flossing. So yeah, I feel like this is like an all-in-one, everything I needed in one product, and I love it. I feel like my gums are healthier, I see my teeth are whitening, and I do love those things. The only thing I don't like about it is the aftertaste. It does not bother my daughter, but it bothers me. It really, you ever, and I know this is gonna sound crazy, have you ever vomit and an aftertaste vomit leaves in your mouth? That's what it tastes like to me, and it makes me gag, and that's what I don't like. As I mentioned, it does not bother my daughter, but it definitely bothers me. So I'm just gonna invest time to get used to that, because I feel like it is a great product, and I love the way it makes my teeth healthier and my gums healthier as well. I think you guys should definitely try it out. As I mentioned, this is the, let me show you guys the case again, because I know I said the box again, I'm sorry, because I definitely want you guys to go and try it out. I actually got this from Sprouts Farmers Market. So definitely go ahead and try it out. Go and pick it up, see how you like it. He has great products, I will say. And this product, I know, is 70% organic ingredients, as well as the well, the shampoo, I think, is all natural ingredients. But yeah, I really love it. It does say dilute, 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 so I don't know if it was drying my hair out because we weren't necessarily diluting it. I don't know, using as much water, I don't know. I guess it's how we are applying it, but I'm gonna try it out one more time and just apply it in a different way. Just making sure I drench my hair with water before actually putting it on my hair, and actually using less shampoo, well, less product when I actually put it on my hair, well, my scalp. So to see if that makes it better as far as drying it out. That may improve it. I'm gonna let you guys know, give you an update maybe in a later video to let you know how it works out. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, because I definitely want to know how you guys like the peppermint one. I know there are other brands, but I didn't try them out. I definitely want to try the lavender one, so I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes when I try their other products. But that's about it so far, so I'll see you guys in my next video.